Magang salamat, Madam MC. No? Sa atong pinanggang Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, our District Governor for District 870, Governor Bing Juarez, sa atong barangay captain, no? Din sa barangay Tablon, Kapitan Romeo Bacaro, sa presidente sa Inner Well Club, akong counterpart si Madam Merlin Mercado, no? Sa principal kaning Linanguhan Elementary School, Madam Maria Del Magaliano, no? Sa atong mga past district governors sa 370, Tocayo Almaños, no? Ug Johnny Brau, ug sa umaabot nga Congressman sa Abamen, Attorney Max Rodriguez. Kaninyo mga membro sa Rotary Club, sa Inner Well, sa membro sa Barangay Council, mga ginikanan, no? O mga eskwela din sa Linanguhan Elementary School, maayong udto sa tanan, no? Good afternoon. Just a brief background of this project, no? Actually, we started tying up this project with Congressman Rodriguez last year. We were able to construct the same project, and the recipient was Barangay Balobal. Don't you know that people here in Linanguhan, you are not the first choice for the second project, no? But maybe circumstance and there are developments which overwhelm. In fact, when we were looking for another place, incognito, I visited this place. This will be my second time to visit. And you know, when I saw the surrounding, it reminds me of my elementary days. More or less the same environment. No? I also undergone my elementary days in a public elementary school. And without saying anything, I just tell myself, this is it. No? And I was very glad when I called up the office of Congressman Rodriguez. Yung staff pa niya, I guess, si Kitty, were looking around for that place. But eventually, that's true. No? The first message was, and in fact, I announced this in our Wednesday meeting, that today is just a meeting, a coordination meeting for this project. But the second call that I got was tuloy na ang groundbreaking. No? And in fact, I was not able to see Barangay Captain Bacaro. We just talked on the cell phone. And when I told him that these are the things that we expect from the Barangay Council, I guess you're very lucky here in Barangay Tablon and so on, because without thinking otherwise, you're a very active Barangay Captain says, go na tasan. Go na yan ang project. Okay. So, I guess the good Lord goes along with us, no? Giving us this shower for this groundbreaking ceremony. But this project, kaninyo din sa Linanguhan, sa Barangay Tablon, this really comes from the bottom of our heart. No? While looking for these funds, it's not easy, no? But we have commitment in the club to make a difference, no, in the life of those that we can touch, given our limited resources. And we are very bullish as far as education is concerned, because we know, and in fact, on a personal note, education really made a great difference in my life. No? So, what this project, and I would like to emphasize, is we are reviving the Bayanihan spirit of our being Filipino. No? A little amount from us, and then from Congressman Rodriguez, and from the Barangay Council, we could already put up a building which will house, no, the education of our kids here in Barangay Tablon, specifically here in Sitio Linanguhan. No? And in fact, infrastructure project like this is just one of the projects as far as education is concerned. And I was telling your principal and the good barangay captain that in fact give us the names of those valedictorians or honor students that will graduate this coming March, no? Itong mga grade 6, because PDG Joe Nebrao has a pending offer for a scholarship, 4-year scholarship at Bruce Bay. No? So we are, the search is still ongoing, no? And maybe this is, and I would challenge, no, the barangay captain and the council that if you could possibly also help the finances of these students that will hopefully be chosen, no, for their living expenses, then I guess spending on human resource, no, sa atong mga eskwela is really a good undertaking. Remember that for every 10 students that enter elementary, only 1 or 2 finishes college. No? So, dili nga nato dugayon, hopefully, and if without any problem, major problems that will come along the way, just as we have done in Barangay Balobal, kaninyo diri sa Barangay Tablon, no, sa Sitio Linanguhan, doon na amoy bagong classroom pag-abot sa bagong school year 2010-2011. Daghang salamat.